passage after. So with those chords, do you see how I'm playing it? We talked about hand position. I think it's a bit easier if you have one hand higher and one hand lower, because then you don't run the risk of not being able to play the note. And I think that's what was happening a bit in the middle. And then with the pedal, if you remember from the score, and I'm going to show you when I give it you back, it comes up at the end of every bar, yeah? So this is all the same. Then as I go to the G, new harmony. As I go to the G. As I go to the next note. Yeah? And remember what we just said as well about it being 1, 2, 3, 4. So my first beat can be maybe a little bit heavier, just a little bit more fullness of sound, I would say, rather than heavy, because it's mezzo piano here. Let me get the right note. Yeah, and then maybe I'll make a little bit more of that melody. So do you want to try that? Yeah. Are you going to start from there, or do you want the score back? Yeah, can you remember?
Yeah.
Let's try.
No.
So we're going here, yeah, bar 13. Very good. So this section, I think, is quite a tricky section. So I would do quite a bit of practice this week on this section. I think the first 13 bars, now we've talked about balancing the hands and experiment a bit more with the dynamics. I would focus on this section. You want to just play the start of it. I want a full pedal down at the beginning. Yeah, so A, C, E, C, off you go. And make sure your heel stays on the floor, yeah? So do you see, you took your pedal off. So it's all the same harmony. So A, C, E, C, yeah? Remember, if you need to change your stool, I always want you to do that. Yeah, yeah, you looked a bit squashed to me because your hand's a bit squashed in. So I'd just maybe bring the stool out a little bit more. Yeah, we want your hand to be fairly relaxed so the wrist isn't super high. Good, okay, so yeah. Now, just one small point, the crossing over was really good, but at the end, do you think it goes da 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 da, or it goes da 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 da, or it goes da 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 da? I gave you 3 options.
The last one.
So it could be the last one. Do you think it was the first one?
No.
Okay, so we agree. The first one is a bit heavy, yeah, because we've got an accent at the end, which is always tricky when you're crossing the hands, but I really liked, I could see your hand was super relaxed, and you were getting a really nice clear sound. Just be careful, that last one is just a nice little bell in the background, yeah, rather than thunder and lightning or something, yeah. Yeah, try again. Okay, try that section again, I want you to be confident with that. So a little bit too soft actually, you went a bit the other way. Try it again. I wouldn't go too soft in the right hand, remember, we still want that there.
Okay.
Yeah, don't go pianissimo, we just want mezzo piano. Probably a bit too loud, that one jumps out. Try again. Yes, I like that. Yeah, pedal, remember? Pedal. Yes, that one was really nice. Did you notice at the end? So you had a much clearer sense of the phrase, and that's what these big markings are telling us, yeah?